Make Indian rupee strong. How it is possible? We have to reduce the imports. We have to use the products manufactured in India as far as possible. You have to go for imports only for essential goods, commodities, but not for non-essential commodities to be imported from other countries. For every import, we have to pay the sale consideration in dollars. That will reduce Indian rupee value against the dollar. For this purpose, to achieve the purpose to make Indian rupee strong, we have to reduce imports. Another alternative is to produce the products in India which are usually imported from other countries. This is one of the solution for the import substitution. The manufacturing units and the industry has to identify goods that can be manufactured in India to help reduce import dependence on those products. Even small preferences for foreign goods can weaken domestic industry. Generally, this is a psychological attitude of people that imported goods are of better quality than goods manufactured in India. Now, in the present situation, because of Indian goods are accepted and having expanding markets in global markets, the Indian products also are able to meet the global standards of quality, price, and delivery. So there is no except psychological opinion. There is no much support for importing goods which are already manufactured in India. The government is also urged to keep an eye on what goods are imported, and you will see the opportunities in that too, that things can be manufactured in India. Means it is advised to go for manufacturing of the goods imported by Indians to replace the Indian made replace with Indian manufactured goods, so that the import will be need of imports will be reduced. The import substitution, either coming from abroad where our requirement is huge. India still depends heavily on foreign countries in sectors such as capital goods, industry clusters including Rajkot, Jalandhar, Ludhiana, Batala, Pune, to increase domestic production instead of relying on imports. It shows the need for industries to go for alternative of import substitution by producing the goods which are being imported regularly from other countries. Of course, there may be in the initial stages there may be cost of production may be higher when the imported goods may be cheaper, but after some time, after becoming perfection, Indian industries also can be able to meet the price competition for the imported goods. Means we have to wait for some time. The importers also should think of going for the domestic goods rather than imported goods, and even ready to face some loss for some time. So this may be one of the solution that can bring import reduced. Another alternative is to increase the exports and buying goods manufactured in India rather than importing them, while highlighting the need to increase value addition in agriculture exports, and in which the agriculture exports has crossed more than 5 lakh crore rupees. The foreign exchange is precious. It has to be preserved and used for not only for essential imports and not for non-essential items. Countries rising import bill, countries rising import bill, the major concern presently faced by Indian rupee, reducing Indian rupee value against the dollar. Current account is also widening because of higher import bill. The elevated oil prices and external sector pressures are also increasing the current account balance widening. Balance of payments deficit is also increasing. Now the alternative is to um, import substitution of goods to be manufactured in India. Of course, there is a despite global economic uncertainties triggered by the Russia-Ukraine war, West Asia crisis, Indian exports rose to 5%, rose by 5% to $863 billion in 25-26. This is not a small achievement. Even during the global disturbances, Indian exporters could win the confidence of global consumers and expand their uh, expand their exports by 5% to reach $863 billion during the previous year, 25-26. The current year target for 26-27 is to reach $1 trillion exports. This is the target fixed. This is the target prescribed by the Indian industry. Now the opportunities are vast. Indian industry should focus on quality, improving competitiveness, and enhancing the scale of operations. Export-oriented approach, quality standards naturally improve the import export market. Only subsidy can cannot sub- only subsidy cannot support the export, and subsidy will be only bonus. It is not the supporting to increase the exports. The subsidy can't be used for trade. Subsidies and production-linked incentives are kickstarters, and depending on that, it will not work fully for the longer period. For the next 5 years, increasing goods and services exposed to $2 trillion. This should be the target for Indian exporters who can uh, reach the target of $1 trillion during the current financial year, so that the import substitution and export increase of exports will strengthen Indian rupee, and another alternative is to produce the goods which are non-essential items imported from outside the country, to replace with goods manufactured in India. That will make uh, some reduction in import bill, which will strengthen the Indian rupee against dollar.